safe. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe, faith to receive. Give me something I'm not, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me something. Make me a pattern. Make me a pattern. Give me one red line. Faith, faith to believe, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm not, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me. Hi guys, today I'm starting the video off during the course of the week. Today is the 30th of June and I just came back from work. It is the March and March day. I don't know why my employer decided for us to come to work today, but when I was driving to the office today, the roads were completely empty. So I don't know if they thought this March and March thing was a joke or what, but the office was pretty much empty. Most people couldn't make it to work because the roads in their areas were closed off. So yeah, we were released early. So I decided to go to have a little bit of a solo brunch at a cafe not far from where I work. And then I also passed by House and Home because I'm still looking for, I haven't found a carpet that a rug. I haven't found a rug that I like as yet, so I'm still shopping around, and in fact I am looking for more than one. If my budget agrees, I actually have to buy 3 rugs for our living room, the kids' living room, and then my bedroom as well, because I need to change this carpet. This carpet is very, very old. This rug, the rug is very, very old. I think I've had it for about 5 years now, so it is due for a change. And then I think I will move it to, I'll have it washed and then I'll move it to either my son's or one of the girls' bedroom. For their bedrooms, I will get them the smallish kind of rugs, because the bedrooms are a lot smaller than our bedroom, so a bigger rug is not gonna work there. So I need to get them smaller rugs just for their feet on the side of the bed. So yeah guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to yet another channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Refilwe, and on here I am the home mom This channel is about motherhood. As the name of the channel suggests, it's about motherhood. Moms that are wives, that are working girls, business girls, studying girls, that are juggling family life, corporate life, and everything else in between. And then we are also trying to make our homes beautiful, guys, because the reason why we work is because all of us are just trying to live a comfortable life. So yes, on this channel we're also doing a little bit of home decor, home maintenance, and all of that jazz. We're balancing the life of a busy 21st century mom, that has a career, that is a wife, and all of that in between. So if that is your kind of vibe, please do consider subscribing and let us grow this channel together. I'm just taking my makeup off, guys, because I bought cluster eyelashes. So I want my daughter to help me to install them. And I'm trying to learn how to put on cluster eyelashes by myself, but I'm still looking for a good quality glue. If you guys have recommendations for a good quality glue that can last for a minimum of 2 weeks, I would really appreciate it if you can recommend something. I saw a glue on Shein. It's written 45 days on it. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna order when I order from Shein. I don't know when that will be, because I haven't ordered from Shein, I think, since February of this year, because Shein is no longer Sheining, you guys. I have not ordered from Shein in a long time, and I don't think, unless they reconsider what they are doing now, because the stance they are taking now, this thing of you see a price, it's a certain price, and then when you check out, the amounts are ridiculous. It just doesn't sit with me. So I will not be ordering from Shein unless it's like a pressing matter, unless it's a really, really, really pressing matter. So guys, I'm removing my makeup using this hydrating Nivea micellar water. It has vitamin C. It's actually my favorite makeup removing micellar water. It feels so good. It feels so good on the skin. I use it all the time. I try the other variations of this micellar water from Nivea, but this is the one I like the most. I keep going back to this one, the vitamin C one, because it just does a very good job. In addition to that, it just makes my skin feel so good, and it is hydrating. So I've removed all the makeup now. I am going to get her to install my eyelashes, and then let's see how they are going to look like, because she always installs eyelashes on herself and she does such a good job. So we might have an eyelash tech in the house. So let's go and install the lashes.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm on your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe, faith to receive. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only baby, you're not just. Baby, you're not just. Baby, you're not just. Show me your signs. Make me a process. Make me a process. Give me one red light. There to believe you. There to receive you. Give me something I'm not. I don't need nothing. You are my yeah.
And this is what it looks like. I think she did a good job, you guys. She did an exceptional job. Yeah. I think the lashes themselves are a little bit too curled than what I'm used to. And they are dark, very much darker than what I'm usually, the type of ones that I usually put on. But side angle, yeah, they look decent. She did a good job. So yeah, guys, you know, one of the things that I'm still finding to be a challenge right now, it's vlogging in public. Earlier on, I went on to some place close to my work, like I said earlier, to have a little brunch. I was craving craving a French toast with mascarpone cheese and you know, berry compote. So I went there and I thought I was gonna be able to vlog the whole experience and all of that, and it was very challenging, guys. I was shy to do it. There were a lot of people there, and so I felt very awkward with a camera in my hand trying to shoot when people were, you know, having their meals. Because you've got to be considerate as well. People are sitting and chilling with their families, and here you are with a camera. So it becomes tricky trying to do it, and not film other people and filming yourself. But I think I'm slowly getting in the hang of it. On Saturday, we went to the supermarket and I asked my husband to hold the phone and take some shots of me when I was doing the when I was doing the shopping for meat, and he did an exceptionally bad job. He cut my head off on most of the shots, and I, you know, was instructing him and directing him, showing him how to do it, but he just did a very bad job. So but I think we're gonna get better with time. We're gonna get better as we get used to it, as we, you know, understand the angles and, you know, how shots work. So yeah, it's a bit of a it's a bit of something that made me laugh, because as I was editing the previous the vlog that went up, the last vlog that went up, I realized that most of the shots were actually not up to standard. So my head was cut off, and yeah, I was just laughing. But guys, we are having fun with this. I'm having fun with this. You know, I believe that in anything that you do, if you are still having fun with it, it's still manageable. As soon as it starts feeling like a chore and it starts feeling like an inconvenience even for you, then it's, you know, I believe for me, anything that starts feeling like it's a challenge, it's not worth your while. So but I'm having fun because we were laughing about it. And yeah, he needs to take some lessons, but he told me that he's not gonna do it anymore. I need to get myself a tripod and all of that jazz. So yeah guys, I will see you on the next segment of the vlog.
Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again, I relapse, but love's never done.
Good morning guys. Today is Saturday morning and we are on our way to Randburg. I finally made the time to go to Randburg, you guys, to go buy the hardware for the unfinished project. I'm on my way to Van Acht and I am a passenger princess today. I am being driven, which is something that hasn't happened in a long time. I'm always the one driving, so today my husband is driving me. Guys, I had to take out the eyelashes that I put in on Tuesday, that my daughter put in on Tuesday, because something was happening to this eye. So this morning I pulled them out and I see that my eye is already getting better. So I think one of the eyelashes had slid down into the inside of my eye, so I had to take them out. But they lasted up to so far, because it's Saturday, they lasted about 4 days. So I think she just needs to improve on ensuring that she doesn't attach it close to the inside of the lash line. So yeah, my eye is a little bit irritated, but it's already getting better. So guys, let's go to Randburg, and then when we finish in Randburg, my husband and I are going to, I think, is it Guatemala or is it Springs? Guatemala. What's the difference?
Guatemala is Springs.
Okay, Guatemala Springs, we're going there. We've been invited to my sister-in-law's in-laws. There's an unveiling there, so when we finish at Van Acht, we will go straight to Springs and then to the unveiling. But I'm also hungry, so I think when we are done, we'll grab something to eat before we go there. Are you gonna buy me lunch? Yeah, we'll grab something to eat and then we'll head on over there. I think we're gonna be out of the house pretty much for the rest of the day today. So the kids are by themselves with their cousins. They're visiting at home. They are having a lot of fun. It's around it's 9:58 right now, and all of them are already awake. So yeah, they're gonna have fun. They're not even gonna realize that we are not in the house. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Hi guys. I am actually going to close off this vlog. It's Sunday morning. It's actually not morning. It's midday. It's around 12 o'clock. And all the things that I plan to do today, I'm not gonna do them, guys. I am down so bad. I have horrible period pains. So I'm not gonna be able to do anything. I'm not moving out of this bed. I just had breakfast. I had my husband make me eggs and bread. So I'm not getting out of this bed. I just want to relax and take some pain medications. Today I had just planned to sort of clean up the house a little, and I took out the full chickens that I got last week, and I was gonna cut them up and section them off and put them into Ziploc packs, because that's what I usually do. I buy full chickens and then I cut them off and I put them into Ziploc freezer packs, and then I take them out as I cook. So that's what I was planning to do. I was also planning to cook, and I was planning to cook for the week ahead. But yeah, I'm gonna put my husband on cooking duty today. I'm definitely not going to cook because I am not feeling 100%. So I'm gonna rest for the rest of the day. So yeah, I'm closing off the vlog. It is going to be a very short vlog, but I reckon that getting a vlog out, that's actually my son's phone busy vibrating over there. Musa, your phone is ringing. I don't know. Hurry, boy. Who is it? Okay, go answer it, Kakwa. Close the door, please.
Okay.
I reckon that getting a vlog out is better than, getting a 30-minute or 25-minute vlog is better than not putting anything out at all. Especially because I'm still new and I'm learning to hold myself accountable and ensure that I put out a vlog every single week, even if it's not perfect. Yeah, that's my motto. I'm going to put out a vlog every single week, even if it's not perfect, because one of the things, guys, about vlogging, it's not just about the fluff and the beautiful things that we try to show when we go out. There is a lot of things that happened in between, some of the things that we don't want to show. But a lifestyle vlog, basically, that's what it's about. It's about the in-betweens as well. The days when you don't feel like picking up the camera, the days when there's a lot happening in your life, the days when you're going through period pains, days when you're not feeling well and stuff, and it's not actually easy to do it. Yeah, I'm going to put this up in any case, but it's gonna be a very short vlog. Nonetheless, guys, if you have watched up to this far, I am very grateful for your support. I'm grateful for you clicking and watching up to this far. And if you have, and you've watched some of the other vlogs, yeah, we do lifestyle content on this channel. We do motherhood, we do home management, we try to balance between between being working moms, wives, and everything else in between. So if that is your kind of vibe, please do consider subscribing onto my channel and let us grow this amazing family. All right, I will see you guys on the next vlog.